want to get verified on TikTok? Then we're here to help you. If you want to get that blue badge next to your name and get verified on TikTok, you want to follow a couple of steps and make sure to watch the video until the end. But before we start with this video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this in the future. The first step that we'll do is to open the TikTok application on our device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account on which you want to get the verification. We'll go over to our TikTok profile, then tap on the 3 lines at the top right corner of the screen. After that, we'll open the settings and privacy section. Once we open the TikTok settings, we'll go over to the account section, and on this page, you will see a verification button. Tap on that button. In order to be approved for the verification of your TikTok account, you will have to meet TikTok's basic requirements, enter your account details and information, and show notability. TikTok will not approve your verification request if you don't meet these requirements. You want to tap on the Start button at the bottom, and you will see the 3 basic requirements. We have to have complete TikTok profile, which consists of a username, bio, and a profile photo. We must have a phone number and email address connected to our account. And your TikTok account has to be a public account. They will not verify our account if it is a private account. So if your account is private and you want to get the verification, you will have to go back and switch your account to a public one. When you meet these requirements, you can continue to the next step in the verification process and fill in your information. If you are a business, you will have to enter all of the information that TikTok requires from you. So just follow the on-screen instructions, upload some documents if you have to, that prove that you are a business, such as an authorized distributor certificate or whatever document they need. If you are a personal account and not a business, you will have to upload a photo of your ID card, driver's license, or your passport. When you upload these documents and fill in your business or personal information, they'll maybe ask you to enter a couple more things, so just fill in all of the details and then tap on the Submit button. Your request will be submitted to TikTok, and you will get a response within 30 days in your TikTok notifications and in your email address. So go over to your emails and check if the TikTok team has responded to your request to verify the TikTok account. If they have and you have been verified, congratulations. Make sure to leave a like on this video, and I will see you soon.